Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your project on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut, and then in here you can see so many projects on your CapCut. If you wanna delete this project, it's simple. You just click on three dots in here, and then click on delete. Click delete, and then click delete again. Click three dots, click delete, delete, three dots, delete, delete. And then after this, if you wanna delete your template project, you just click on a template in here, and then click three dots again, and then click on delete. So like this, and so that's how to delete your project on CapCut apps. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy its content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.